Hello everyone, this is Zuhra from infosharing360.com. Okay, so the question that we are covering in this video is how do you handle stress or pressure at work? Now, to reply to this question, we should say something like, well, realistically speaking, I don't like to let stress take over a situation. So, to handle such situations, I always stay focused and calm under pressure. I always take control and recall a time when I worked well and successfully managed similar situations. Now, after this reply, in case you are asked, how do you manage to stay focused and calm, then you need to tell them that there are few techniques, skills, and strategies that you usually use to stay calm and focused. So in examples, you can quote that I stay relaxed because of regular meditation and breathing exercises. I also implement skills such as time management, prioritization of critical tasks, adaptation, and I always maintain a positive mindset that I will manage this task efficiently like I did before. So this is the complete answer. You can select relevant keywords, points, or prepare answer in your own words as per your convenience. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel InfoSharing 360. Thank you for watching this video.